What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keezy back with another live trading video. Today is October 31st. Uh, it's Halloween, y'all. It's Halloween and it's Friday. Um, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I was debating if I was gonna do the stream today, but I was like, you know what? No matter what, we're gonna still show up. Even though y'all know I told y'all before, hey, I don't usually trade on Fridays. Usually Fridays is my off day. Um, But I'm still gonna get y'all a stream, like I said. But that's why I did want to start off and say, hey, I was debating. I was like, man, that's why I'm a little bit late on joining right now because it was like, hey, I really wasn't even planning on trading today. But we're gonna see if we can find at least one trade for today, and we're gonna call it for today. Um, I told y'all before, Fridays, the market like to correct itself. Whenever it's the end of the week, it's gonna go to where it was supposed to go. And yeah, so be careful. And then you gotta also think this is the end of the month. This is the end of the month. So we got a lot of stuff trying to correct itself and get ready for the new month coming, okay? Y'all give me 1 second. And I honestly, like I said, today I usually don't trade on Fridays, but today we're gonna trade. Um, I'm gonna tell y'all going to play light. I told y'all be safe on Friday, so we're playing it light. Like I said, we probably found one trade. Um, if it's a winner, we're gonna probably keep trading, but as soon as we get our first loss, I think we'll just call it today. As soon as we get that first loss, unless it's just a real good winner, we'll call that also. Okay. Now, for us to downside today, I'm gonna be looking at YM today, MYM, and I'm gonna be looking at MNQ, but I'm gonna start off with MYM today. Let's go to MYM daily chart. Give me 1 second, let it load up. Now, yesterday, if y'all was in the stream yesterday, I told y'all. I said I was looking. The only way I was looking to go long on MYM was once we tap into this gap, and then we get our, green candle, our green daily candle. But what happened yesterday? Yesterday we started pushing real hard up, and I told y'all, I said, hey, unless we take the high, then we don't have to retest this gap. But I was like, I really think we're gonna come all the way back down because we didn't tap the gap. This gap was at 4750. I mean 47,547. Where the bottom tick of this candle was 48. 40 it was 47,548. So we was one tick away from tapping into this daily gap. So I was like, hey, I really don't trust that it's going to go all the way to that high. What I did off stream, I ended up catching a short right up here and I wrote it down to about right here. I got screenshots of it and posted it in the TikTok. But I wrote the shorts to about right here. I was trying to aim for this candle to turn red, but I just couldn't hold the trade that long. Um, but what do I expect for today? Yes, we did close green. So we could see another green candle to start consolidating. But I potentially am looking for them shorts to come on finish the job to tap this fair value gap for MYM. I'm potentially looking for them shorts to go ahead and get this tap. But like I said, you can't really fight against the daily green level. That's the thing. But if I see like the hourly switching to shorts, I think I'm gonna take shorts down to that daily fair value gap. Okay. So let's jump down to the hourly. Hourly, we do got a lower low here, but did we end up making a? No, we ain't make a higher high. Let's see if we gonna hold this hourly. We had to turn red on this hourly right here. See if we can hold this hourly lower high right here. See if we can hold it. Of course we inside a big old fair value gap right here. Big fair value gap. I really don't want to mark it out. Um, let's see if we can flip red here. We are in this one. Okay, I see this fair value gap. I'll mark this one out. I ain't gonna mark that big one out. So I'm on the hourly NYM. See if we can close below this gap right here. And I will do this. I'll set a line for this big gap, but I'm not going to mark this huge zone out. I just set the line for it so I can know when it's coming through the gap. I'm going to make it white. Yeah, I'm going to make it white. Alright. So we really want to see a red hourly candle here if we can. Preferably close below this fair value gap right here. And then we would like to take the shorts. And I'm telling y'all, I'm looking for it to come down to this daily fair value gap right here. That's what I'm looking for it to come down to. But like I said, if we go back to the daily on MYM, it did close green. It's kind of hard to argue against the green, you know, because that's telling us, hey, market's trying to come up. But like I said, we never bounced off this fair value gap. So I think the market wants to come down there and come tap it at least. If it's not go just straight break through. So that'll be a high, low, high. We can make a lower low that'll make that a lower high. Let's look at the monthly real quick since we are closing the monthly candle today. I'm on the monthly on NYM, letting it load up. Monthly on NYM is looking bullish. Oh, all them dang news events. But it's looking bullish. We're above the previous month high. Unless it somehow squeeze all the way down or drop all the way down to 47.56, 47,056. We're looking like we should be, you know, still in the bulls on the monthly. But like we said, we're looking for this hourly candle to close red for NYM. And now I'm gonna go jump over to MNQ and see what we will want for that also. So we're looking for this to be red. If it comes down to this white line, which is the bottom of this big zone on the hourly, if it come down here, we needed to close past that white line for us to be able to catch our shorts. So hopefully it just closed past this orange fair value gap box, and then we can take it down all the way down to this white line, then possibly down to here. Okay, let's go to MNQ real quick. MNQ, and like I said, we're doing all micros today, just because it's Friday. I told y'all it's supposed to position down on Fridays. Okay, MNQ. Let me go to the daily real quick because all this messed up. We're gonna go to the daily first. Jump over to the daily. Let it load up. And it is a little bit laggy because I am trying to have my Ninja Trader open right now. Because I want to catch this trade on my Ninja Trader too, so I won't have to, you know, trade after the stream. So it is lagging a little bit. I might have to just close my Ninja Trader because look like MNQ don't want to load up. Give it a second though. We're gonna give it a second. Alright. Alright. We look at I can delete these. Let's just remove everything for now so it can be clean. Alright. So yesterday we made our first red candle, which is a kind of a doji candle, but we made our first red. So we got higher high. This potentially could be a higher low, but we got to come all the way up and take this high. So if we close green here, we need to start leading up here to take a high in November. Okay. This could lead us to that lower low. If it's just trying to go straight to a lower low, it'll have to come all the way down here. See that? All the way down there. But it could be red here, green here, then another red to make that lower low up in this area. And then we have market structure shift to the downside. You could play the shorts either to the fair value gap or down to these swing lows. But since we closed red yesterday, we know what the market is making a low. Okay, the market is making a low. So shorts can be on the table. Let's mark this high out real quick. If it let me change the color. It ain't even, come on, why it ain't showing up? It should be showing up the color change thing. I guess it's not. Oh well. Let's mark out this daily fair value gap. Daily gap right here. In case the market decides, hey, this is where it wants to bounce. I don't expect it to come down here today. I don't expect it. I'm talking about if we get market structure shift, like I said, if we get a low, high, lower low, then I expect it to come down there. I don't expect it to do it today, but I gotta look and see what all news we have today, just in case, because the news probably can drop it. While they try to lower it up, okay. We marked out that daily gap. Like we said, this is the target for if we want to switch back to uptrend. This white line here. I'm gonna try to change that to green. Like I said, them shorts are definitely on the table. We had our first red candle. Them shorts are definitely on the table. The solidified level is all the way down here. So the can't be level is all the way down there. There's plenty of space for them shorts to come through. Switch to red. Alright, now let's go down to the lower time frame and see if the shorts are wanting to come through. It's looking like it so far based on this daily. But let's look at the 1 hour, see if it's aligning with our daily chart. Okay. Give me 1 second. All right. All right, we are looking bearish right now on MNQ. We might could take if this hourly candle can close below these lows, we probably could take a short. Cause yes, we did make higher high here, made higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, but we just made a lower low just now. I like an entry now, honestly. I do like an entry now, but it literally could flip right back up to being green. So we kind of want to wait on this hour to finish closing. But I do like the entries right now. I want to see if this hourly can close below this white line right here. Hourly close below this white line. Definitely like the shorts. Let's see, we got hourly fair value gaps in the way. But I do like these shorts though. I definitely like these shorts. That's the wrong thing. I'm gonna go to the 1 minute. If we starting to build based under that white line, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in a little early. If we're building base under there. Oh, it's already pushing. We might missed it. Let's see. Let's get in one short in case it just straight dumps to here. Oh, come on. We're getting that pullback. We're getting the pullback now. Jumped in a tad bit too early, but it's fine. Getting that pullback right now. Let's see if it's going to hold or not. We was trying to get that base under here. It looked like it was about to close below, but it flipped back. If we can close red here, that'd be good. We can close red here. All right, it's looking. Come on, 14 seconds. Really looking for this tap. All right, that's nice. Let me get ready to move the stop loss down because it might tap and pop right back up. We'll catch a quick 10. All right, we caught quick 10 right there. Now, would it close below here is the question. Since it just tapped that hourly gap, would it close below? Let's go back to the hourly. I was on the 1 minute just then. All right, I'm on the hourly again. Let's see if it can close inside this hourly fair value gap. What's that? 26,103.25. See if we can close below there. 26,103.25. It didn't quite tap it. It got down to 26,103.50, so it needed one more tick. So it might come back down again, cause it didn't quite tap it all the way. So it might come back down. We might see it come back down eventually, cause it didn't always get the job done all the way. Let me go check out our MYM. And I think these are the two we only gonna be focusing on today. MYM and NQ. I'm not really gonna be looking at ES. Alright, MYM hourly. It is red, but we said what? If it taps this white line, we needed to close below. But since it didn't, it needed to come all the way back up to this orange and then close below the orange. So we needed to tap this orange again. We needed to tap that orange line again, if it can, and then close below. So it need to come up here before the hour. If it don't come up here before the hour, we can't touch it. Or if it don't close below here before the hour, we can't touch it. Below the white line. And what this white line is, like I told y'all, if you go to the hourly on MYM, it's this big old fair value gap. I just didn't mark the fair value gap. I just marked where it had to close below. Right here. This big old fair value gap. You see this big green candle and this red candle and this green candle right here. It's this big old gap. I just marked the bottom of the gap so I can know where it needs to close below to go short. Because I didn't want it to have that whole zone boxed out. But yeah, we needed to come retest this orange level before the hour. And then it needed to stay below the orange level fair value gap too. For us to stay with the shorts. We can't really do the shorts where it's sitting at right now. So that's why I'm dropping to this 1 minute so I can see if it taps it. It's close, but it's not quite there. It needs to get all the way up there. Right here. It needs to hit 47,722. Either hit that or come down here and close below 47,665 before the hour. I need to do one of the two before the hour for us to be able to get in short. If it just sit in this area, this range, and don't do neither, we can't touch the shorts yet. Okay, let's go to MNQ real quick, check and see what it's doing. MNQ. Okay, MNQ actually came down here. Okay, that's what I just told you. I said, hey, it didn't tap it all the way, so I can see it coming back down here to get the job done, which it literally did the very next minute we got off the screen. It came right back down. I thought it was gonna do it after the hour, but it did it literally 1 minute after we just said it. All right, let's go to the hourly though. Let's see what we need for the hourly. For the hourly, we do got this big hourly gap right here. I'm not gonna mark that out, but we need to see it close. Really just need to see it close below these lows, honestly. If it can close below this white line, that'll be beautiful. If it just closed inside this gap but failed to close below the white line, it's tricky, you know. Because yes, it closed inside the fair value gap, but technically it swept the low, failed to close below. So we really want to see M and Q close below this white line. Truly, that's what we really want to see. Close below that white line. You can do that. That will be good. We got 11 minutes, 22 seconds left. You can close below that white line. That will. Let's look at the daily one more time. See the daily. Like I said, we can see the shorts coming in potentially because hey, first daily red candle. So it's telling us it's looking for a low. We didn't bounce off any fair value gaps, so we can see the shorts still coming. Or like we said, it can be make a low, make a high. So this kind of could flip green. And then we end up getting another red to come make that lower low to bring us all the way down here. That's what I'm kind of thinking. I'm thinking we might see maybe red. If we get another red, a small red candle, and then a green. And I think we're going to need the market structure shift to bring us down here. I don't think we just going to shoot straight down there without making market structure shift. But like I said, it all depends on the news. Though if we got heavy news, it could make it go straight down there. So let me go look at the news. That's what I need to do. Let me see what kind of news we got going on today. I think I got the screenshot so I can show y'all. Give me 1 second. It's 8:50. We got 10 minutes for the hour. 10 minutes for the hour. Oh, but I'm really just looking to make probably 100 on the day if I can. Nothing too crazy. Probably make 100, no risk, no more than $50. I think today, just because. Hey, we lose 50, we go ahead and close it. Because it's Friday, we want to end the week off pretty good. So why risk most of your profits on a Friday when you know it's very volatile more times than not? All right, news wise today. Oh, we already had PCE 8:45 PMI. Oh my goodness, I traded through PMI. What the hell? Did I trade through PMI? Ain't nothing happened really. When that 8:45 came, nothing really happened. What the world? I'm surprised PMI didn't really do nothing crazy. I'm surprised. That mean, like I said, that might be more justification of what I was saying. I can see today being a green candle potentially. Um, and then we gotta see that market structure. So it might be trying to hold it up right here. It might stay red most of the day, then at the end flip green or something. And then we'll have a high, low, high, and then probably Monday or Tuesday of November, the very first start of November, it might get us that red candle to drop us all the way down to this gap. Like I said, so because I'm surprised PMI usually always move the market crazy, and we really didn't do nothing. Let me go to the 1 minute and see what happened at 8:45 to basically 8:50. So 8:45, where was it? 8:45 was right here. Yeah, we didn't really. Oh man, I didn't mean to move that. We didn't really do nothing. We consolidated through PMI. That's kind of weird. Unless it's held up right now. Maybe it didn't all the way drop. Let me go check and see. Maybe it's a pending. No, it came out. It came out at 43.8. So it came out good. Um, because the previous was 42. No, previous was 40.6. So it came out good. What the world? I'm surprised it ain't really moved. That one I know. That's just telling me if it came out good and the market didn't shoot up, we trying to hold. We trying to stay in this area for most of the day. So we might see consolidation for a good bit. Either we trying to hold in this one area or we trying to hold down here just so we can make sure we go all the way down for the shorts. Because for some reason it's a blockage. It's not trying to go higher. It's a blockage. Because PMI coming out good should have pushed the market up pretty hard, which it didn't. So I'm thinking it's a blockage. All right, what's going on? We got 6 minutes. Oh, it pushed past the white line. Okay, let me go look at let me go check out MYM real quick. See what MYM doing. This is what I really want to trade is the MYM because it's just a lot safer, especially on a Friday. You got a little bit, you can play your trades a little longer, but it's not trying to do our shorts. Look like it's not doing our shorts, unfortunately. Not just yet. Still gotta wait. It don't look like the shorts coming right now. Ah, I was looking for them shorts to come through. I gotta wait. Probably gotta wait. Maybe it's trying to respect this lower high up here. Because if it takes this out, then it's the next lower high we have right here. And that's all the way up here. So if it take this lower high out right here, the next one is all the way up there. So hopefully it can respect this lower high right here. Hopefully it don't go past 47,815 on the hourly. Hopefully. We gotta see. We gotta see. I wish I can pull like how I can for Trading View. You can put up two charts at one time. I'm not sure if I can do that on here. On if I can do that on Top Step or not. Let me see. Open new window. Nah, that's just open the window. Like the little side by side screens. No, I can't. I don't see it. Don't see it. How many minutes? We got 4 minutes and 30 seconds before the hour. We flip back to MNQ. We just gonna be flipping back and forth on these hourly between MNQ and MYM. They both at a pivotal point though right now. They both at a pivotal point. Come on, what you doing? Let me see what's the last thing it touched. Did it touch the white line last or did it touch the orange? Touch the orange line last. Okay. So now you gotta close below this orange. Gotta come close below here for the hour unless it can come back and retest the white. Gotta close below here for the hour. I'm on the 1 minute. I'm on the 1 minute because I'm trying to see which level is touching last. If it touched this last, then it just got close below. If it touched this last, then it got close below there for me to go short. Let's go to MYM 1 minute and see which level it touched last. It's inside the dang hourly. I don't really want to trade MYM inside it, honestly. That's probably where it's gonna end up closing for the hour too, right inside here. Just because it knows nobody want to trade inside a small fair value gap. It might just do that on purpose. Like if it can close below the gap, that would be beautiful. But it might just try to sit inside this gap for that hourly. We got 3 minutes for the hourly, y'all. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Jump back to these hourly charts. MYM 1 hour. That's when I'm on. And then they're nice flippers. Got 2 minutes for the hour. Y'all get ready. It might be our one out. It might be that one trade we gotta take. And this might be it. Gotta see, gotta see. I mean, we got 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to do that. I'm over here trying to adjust my Ninja Trader. All right, look like the shorts might come with MIM. We got 30 seconds. We're gonna get ready. If it close below this hourly, we're gonna get in them shorts. Ah, it pushed right back up. Come on, man. I told y'all we might be trying to close inside here too. 10 seconds. Let's see what it's gonna do. 10 seconds. Is it gonna push back out? Nah, I don't look like it. Let's jump to MNQ. Can't mess with MYM right now. Even if it come down, we can't mess with it. Did MNQ close below? It look. Yes, it did. Okay, okay. It closed below. We like the shorts. God dang. What? It didn't put me in? Wow. It did not put me in. I've been clicked on the shorts. What the heck? Wow. It really didn't put me in that trade. I'm a little upset about that. I pressed the shorts right here at the open. It's alright. It's fine though. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let's see if there's anything that'll block us from getting to the bottom of this gap. I'm on the 1 hour. Do I see any other hourly hiccups? No, I don't. So I do expect us to come to the bottom of the gap on MNQ. I don't see any hiccups. I don't see nothing in the way, honestly. On the 1 hour at least. It might be some 1 minute and 5 minute ones that can hold us up a little bit, but I really don't see nothing on the 1 hour to keep us from going to the bottom. Let's drop down to the 1 minute though. 1 minute. That MYM, we not messing with MYM right now though. I'm gonna tell y'all that. Because it didn't close how we wanted it to close. 1 minute, I wanna see it make a lower low. When it make a lower low, then I'll be confident. Right now it can come all the way up because it didn't make a lower low yet. Let's look at that 1 hour, see where the max stop loss, even though we ain't gonna have our stop loss at that max level. The max stop loss is all the way up here for the hourly. All the way up here on the hourly. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. Let's see. Let me go to the 15, see if we got some levels I can sit behind. Nope. Don't got a level for the 15 to sit behind. Let's go to the 5 minute. Do we got something to sit behind? We got one level. That's it. This high right here is the only thing that's behind for the 5 minute. So we look for those shorts to start coming through. Like I said, if we get stopped out here, this probably gonna be the only trade we have. So I'm looking for them shorts to come through. So we made that high. I'm still waiting. And we might, when we get that first red, we might add one more position to the short side. Might just add one more position to the short side. We'll see the red come through. We got 25 seconds. Look like the red coming through. This might be it right here. We probably ain't gonna add it now because it's already at our original entry. So we'll just take this trade right here, $60. If it come on down here to the bottom of the gap for us. We really need to see a lower low though. We need to see a lower low. So come on, push. Need to see that lower low. Come on, drop. Need to see the lower low. To get that lower low, we definitely should be moving to the target. Especially we can close. If we get a closer below these lows, I definitely see our target getting tapped. So we need to close below these lows. Let me put a line there. Put a line right there. White line. We want to see it close below 20 seconds. Close below there. I'm gonna move my stop loss down into profit just because if it don't close below there, it's gonna come all the way back up. And we can just get right back in. We go on to TP. It's almost there though. 3, 2, 1. Oh, one tick. Come on. Wow. 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 That's crazy. One tick away. We gonna set it at $20. Dang, one tick away. That was some trash. I ain't gonna force close it though. We gonna set it at $20. It's probably gonna kick us out, but it is what it is. One tick away. That's crazy. One tick away. The market will do that to you though. It definitely will. This green counter gonna suck. Don't close green. Push down, push down, push down. Don't close green. If it close green, we definitely getting stopped out. No. It got me out. Hey man, one tick away. We could have forced closed it, but it's fine. We could have forced closed it, but it's completely fine, man. That was some crazy right there, man. It came off one tick away from our target. This might be that drop again. We might see the drop right here again. But I'm gonna wait until it turn red. If it turn red, we'll get right back in them shorts. But I'm not gonna get in it until I see it turn red underneath this high right here. Wow, one tick away. The market do that to you sometimes though. You can't be mad at it, man. One good thing I did move my stop loss down though, because we would have been back at break even right now. So good thing I did move my stop loss in a profit. That was a good thing that we did. Good decision. So we at least caught $20 off of that. So we're up $30 on the day. That was a smart decision. But wow, one tick away. That's crazy. One tick away. I need to see them shorts coming through, especially right here. And them shorts need to start coming through. If it does, I'm gonna get in shorts again. Probably 2 contracts. And I'm gonna aim for the bottom of the gap again. So I need to see these shorts. I need to see these shorts coming through because it's almost at that high. It need to flip red here. Close red would be nice. That's crazy. We was one tick away though. That's crazy right there. It must bounce off a 1 minute gap or something. We like that first red here. Let's get in the short. I'm only taking it in here if it can get down there. If it come up here and take this high, it just kick us out though. Or no, we're gonna set it up here. We're gonna set it up here. That's where we're supposed to be up here. So even if it sweeps on highs, we can still be in it. It look like it's trying to sweep from highs though, but this candle could flip red for us though. Let me go to the 5 minute real quick. See what color the 5 minute candle is. Ooh, 5 minute candle green. We don't like that. Don't like that at all. Don't like a green candle for 5 minutes. Cause now I think it's probably gonna come up here with that 5 minute green. Yeah, we might see that market structure shift at this point. Let's see though. It could just come. It could just shoot straight back down. I gotta see. Gotta see. Can't quite say it just yet. Because it did sweep this high. Did it close? No, it did close past the high. So it can come up a little bit more. Let's just shoot and make a lower low. But I think it's gonna come up for one more time. Come up one more time, possibly. Let's see. Let's make this lower low. Then we good. But I'm thinking we're gonna come up one more time. And like I said, unless we make that lower low. Can we make that lower low? Can you push down below here? Can you push? Oh, you almost there? Yep, we made the lower low. We're gonna sit and hold, wait and see if we can come all the way back down. Got that lower low. If it come back up and make a higher high, I swear this market playing games. That's why I told y'all Fridays be crazy. If it come right back up and make a higher high, that's crazy. It's literally pushing hard too. Like it's trying to make another higher high. We're gonna see though. It's the Friday madness right here, man. Friday madness. Literally came right back and made a higher high almost. It's literally inches away. Can you push back down? Push back down. Push back down. All the way down. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. It did close green. We need to see another lower low. We need to see another lower low. Need to see another lower low. And it need to be a red candle like that. Another lower low. Red candle. Another lower low. Red candle. Gotta close red. And I want to see it close below this 1 minute gap. If we can. Right here, I'm going to make it white. Because it's holding up this 1 minute gap pretty strong. If we close in it, I'm going to just close my trade. If we close inside the gap, I'm going to close my trade. If we close above, I'm going to hold it. Close below, let it hit TP. Close in it, we closing it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Close. We gonna close it. We need to see it break. So we did catch. How much we made off of that? $13. We made $13 off of that. It's fine. $13 better than no dollars. So we up $42 on the day. The only reason I closed it because I don't want it sitting inside the gap. I wanted it to break straight through. Because now it can play around. I wanted to see it close straight past. So I just took my little profit I had on that trade and walked away. Let's see. The NYM shorts are coming in, but I told y'all we couldn't trade. We couldn't take the trade. We just couldn't take the trade off of what NYM hourly did. We just couldn't take the trade, man. It's that simple. But these shorts definitely came in after it made a higher high, though. See, because if we would have got in, let's see, we would have got in here and was trying to play lower low, lower highs. This would have been our stop loss. We would have got stopped out. Then it would have went down. But let's look at the hourly on NYM. It definitely is coming down with these shorts, which is nice. But we basically in the same boat we was the first hour of the day. We're sitting between these two lines. We got to see it close below here or close below here. So we in the exact same predicament as we were this morning. Honestly, only way that the shorts would be 100%, we can just get 100% in if we come down and take this low. But the reason why we don't want to get in there is because what? We expect this to be where we might bounce. So if it just comes straight down without closing below these first, and it just comes straight down at one hourly counter, we just can't trade NYM. It just is what it is. So we want to see an hourly close below here or hourly close below here so we can take it down here to the daily gap. But if it just take this one candle, just shoot straight down there to it, it is what it is. We just can't trade NYM. So let me go look at MNQ real quick. MNQ, MNQ. Let's see if it closed below on that 1 minute. Go to the 1 minute on MNQ. See if it closed below that gap yet. If it closed below that gap, it's ready to drop. Nope. It did get a red candle, but it didn't close below it just yet. So it's not quite ready. If it takes this low right here, though, it might be ready. Alright, it took the low. Let's see if it's trying to go all the way down here now. Took that low. Let's see if we can go all the way down now. See if we can squeeze. We did close out the gap, but we failed to close below that low. That's the scary thing. Hopefully this next candle can close below that low. That's the only thing that's scary. We failed to close below that low. Let's see. Hopefully this next candle can close below this low. Hopefully. Come on, drop, 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 drop. Let me move my stop loss in case it do some weird stuff. We're gonna move it up there because I'm keeping in mind where that 5 minute fair value gap was at. And that's what I'm trying to hide behind. Come on, man. Close below the low. Don't push back up. If push back up, we're gonna be consolidating, man. No, no. Don't touch this. Ah, man, it touched the other side. We just got trapped. We just got trapped, man. We just got trapped. Literally, we just got trapped. Oh, man. Can we close back red, man? We just got trapped right there. That's we literally once it touched the other side, I knew we was trapped. Now we gotta wait again. Ooh-wee. I wish this counter right here messed it up. It did come make that lower low, which we needed, but it failed to close below the previous low for the continuation. And that's why I was like, dang, when I seen it didn't close below there, I was like, hopefully this counter can close below, man. And it didn't. It flipped green, so now we trapped. Trapped in the trade. We could cut it, but I am trying to see if this 5 minute hold up. This 5 minute fair value gap right here. Trying to see if this holds us. So even if we switch to an uptrend right here, hopefully this 5 minute gap can keep us down. That's what I'm looking for. That's if in the event that we switch to an uptrend. Dang, they trapped me bad right there, man. They caught me. They caught me. They caught me. That little bit not closing below messed us up. Literally. And it literally did it in like a tenth of a second. Barely that one thing tripped us up. Ah, man, it's pushing. Come on, close red right here. Dang, it's about to take this high. Is it gonna take this high? It's looking like it. Flip red, flip red, flip red. I'm gonna show y'all how to scale in and get out of trade quick. Watch this. If it would have turned red, I was gonna show y'all how to scale in and to get out of a bad trade. Because if this would have closed red, I would have added 2 positions, and then we would have just been able to close for some profit. But it didn't close red, so it's probably still trying to come take this high. Come on, man. We need to close red at this point. Come on, man. Finna take that high? It's right there. It's literally, it took the high. Made it, and this is an uptrend now. We in an uptrend. Or a start of uptrend. We just made a higher high. Oh, man. It trapped us good right there. Trapped us good. We might be coming to retest this 5 minute gap, y'all. Might be retesting that 5 minute gap. We gotta see. Do we got any 1 minute gaps or anything to help? Nope. Not that none right here. I don't see any. Golly. Ain't set us up. I still do believe that we're gonna come down here and get this hourly though. But they did set us up. They did set us up. But I still believe that we're gonna come down there though. Just because, hey, the hourly has unfinished business. It did not tap the bottom of the gap. It got close, but it didn't tap. Let me make sure my drawing is correct. Make sure my drawing correct to make sure that it didn't tap. Where that hourly gap was at? Let's just make sure. Yeah, my drawing correct. And I don't, like I said, I don't see any other gap in the way. We got close. Like I said, we got real close, but we didn't quite get it. So I still believe we're gonna go down there. It's just hopefully it don't stop us out, then go down there. That's the biggest thing. Hopefully we don't get stopped out, then go down there. We banking on this 5 minute gap to hold us. Banking on this 5 minute gap to hold us. If we can't, then it is. I slick want to add one off the first red candle. Slick want to add one off the first red candle. I think I might just do so. Let's add one. It's alright. We're gonna add one. See if this can bring us all the way back. See if it can lead us to a lower low. Come on, drop down here. It make that lower low where it's set. I'm gonna move stop loss right here at that 1 minute gap. We make that lower low. I'm setting it. We at least taking $20. Hopefully it don't come back up. It's 30 seconds. It's probably gonna come back up. Ah, it's probably finna come back up. It's 30 seconds. Drop. Don't come back up to the 1 minute gap. Please don't. Just drop down to TP. Go straight to TP. Hurry. Don't come back up. 10. 10 seconds left. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, we almost there. I'm moving stop loss here to 50. Oh, it's lagging. Stop loss at 50. And we hit TP. There we go. There we go. Up 163 for the day. We gonna call it right there, guys. We gonna call it right there. We was in a little drawdown, but we added one more position because we was like, hey, this might lead us to that lower low. And what happened? Brought us to the lower low and hit TP. So that was a beautiful trade. I wish I caught that on my ninja trade. I ain't even gonna lie. But it's fine. That was a nice trade, man. Ah, I should have caught that on my ninja trader. I would have made like $50, $60 right there. But that was a beautiful trade. That was a beautiful, beautiful trade. Literally added right here, and it just dropped straight down to TP. Straight down to TP. Like I said, I'm calling it for today, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Your boy Keith is out.